Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Meenakshi, and you must have already got the news that the new Chief Justice of India, N.V. Ramana, has been appointed as the 48th Chief Justice of India today. He has taken his oath today, 24th of April 2021, and President Ramnath Kovind has initiated the process at Rashtrapati Bhavan. He was born on 27th of August 1957 in Punnavaram of Krishna district in Andhra Pradesh. He is the second Chief Justice of India to be appointed from the state of Andhra Pradesh. Currently, he is 63 years old and he will be retiring from the post of Chief Justice of India on 26th of August 2021. So next year in the month of August 26th, he will be retiring from his position. Previously, before being appointed as Chief Justice of India, he has also served as a judge of Andhra Pradesh High Court from 2000 to 2013, as Chief Justice of Delhi High Court from 2013 to 2014, and as a judge of Supreme Court from 2014 to 2021. In March 2021, the previous Chief Justice of India, that is the 47th Chief Justice of India, S.A. Bobde, recommended him for the post of Chief Justice of India after retirement of Bobde. And today he took his oath as a Chief Justice of India, and it is 24th of April 2021. Now, because of this legal development, for any sort of legal exam that you are appearing, Union Judiciary part from Constitution becomes very important and relevant. What all articles are covered here? It is 124 to 147. That has a lot of provisions regarding composition of Supreme Court, appointment of judges, appointment of Chief Justice of India, qualification of Chief Justice of India and judges, their salaries, allowances, oath and affirmation, jurisdiction of Supreme Court, and all those other related provisions. So you can open the barrack and go through all the articles from 124 to 147 to know in detail regarding all these provisions which we have. With regard to composition of Supreme Court, right? What is the composition? Presently, we have Chief Justice of India plus 27 other judges in the Supreme Court. So as of now, we have total of 28 judges if you include Chief Justice of India, right? So this is the present composition that we have. Under Constitution, if you see the provision regarding composition of Supreme Court, it gives that power to Parliament, that Parliament will pass a law, and under that law, it will regulate the number of judges that may be required in Supreme Court of India. And we have a legislation, it is Supreme Court Number of Judges Amendment Act 2019, that mentions the provision with regard to how many judges may be there in the Supreme Court of India. So it mentions maximum number of judges may be Chief Justice of India plus 33 other judges. That means a total of 34 judges we may have, and presently we have only 28. That means there are many vacancies that are there at the Supreme Court of India. And if at any point of time you want to know regarding the present number of judges that are there at Supreme Court of India, you can visit this link. Okay, it is nothing but Supreme Court of India website, where you get a link where name of all the judges, their appointment age, retirement age, everything is mentioned. All right, so you can always visit this link to know the updated number of judges that are there at the Supreme Court of India. With regard to salary of Chief Justice of India, provision is mentioned under Article 25. Again, under Constitution, we have not mentioned the present salary of Chief Justice of India, but this provision or this power is given to Parliament, that by a law they will fix the salary, allowances, and any other privileges that Chief Justice or other judges may be entitled to, right? So it is nothing but Salaries and Conditions of Service Act of the year 1958 that fixes salary for Chief Justice of India as well as other judges of Supreme Court. So salary of Chief Justice of India is 2,80,000 per month. And with regard to this legislation, you can visit this website or you can simply search name of this legislation. You will get the name. You will get the barrack. There you can read what are the other provisions mentioned regarding salary of Chief Justice of India as well as other judges of Supreme Court of India. So this part also becomes important considering the legal, considering the development, right? This development that is going on. With regard to oath and affirmation, for majority of the positions or posts, it is mentioned under third schedule. All right, for president, it's different. It is mentioned inside the articles only. But for all the other different provisions, it is mentioned under third schedule. So this is the oath of Chief Justice of India that you will be getting. Same applies for judge, also comptroller and auditor general as well. All right, so you can accordingly go through it from third schedule of Constitution of India. What are schedules basically? It is nothing but some additional information which we get inside the Constitution, right? There are different articles, different parts. If you want to know some things in detail regarding the articles or parts, you can refer to the schedules which we have. There are some other important topics also like appointment of Chief Justice of India and other judges. How they will be appointed? They will be appointed through collegium system. But how this system has developed, what were the controversies involved in accepting this system, right? All the judges cases, first judges case, second judges case, third judges case, and recently the fourth one also, right? So all these things become very important from the point of view of exam as well as jurisdiction of Supreme Court. What are the different jurisdictions of Supreme Court that we have? All these are some other topics which become important considering this recent development that has taken place. All right, so I'm not going to explain all these points in detail here because I have already made detailed video lectures on all of these topics, right? So you can go through those videos regarding the judges cases, also jurisdiction, development of collegium system, appointment of Chief Justice of India and other judges. All these topics along with other topics of constitution are covered in my video lectures. So you can go to the playlist Constitution Law and you can look for these videos and see those videos also to get in detail information regarding them. All right, I'll also try to put the links in description box below. From there also you can check out these videos. So that's all for today's video. Thank you.